Hey, I've been sent this spring compressor. This is the big one. It's probably a copy of like the Sykes Pickford or something, to give a go. I like the Werkzeug tools, as you probably know, but we're going to do an unboxing and a test it out. I've got a BMW 1 Series here, which is quite notorious for being a pain in the bum for changing the springs on. So let's give it a go. Oh, that's got a spring on it. Oh, it's too much safety for my liking. That holds the bottom of the shock. Yeah, that's the boy, that's what we want. On there. Shock absorber goes in there, clamp that up, and then it's not going to jump out yet and kill you. Oh, this is the foot pedal with your A, B and your C. B, C. Oh, there we go. That's how that hooks there. That is my air in, although that's got the wrong fitting on it, so we'll replace that. This will stop any annoying air leaks. I was spitting feathers a little bit because plop that in there, doesn't do up tight enough. I was like, what on earth is going on here? Like, needs some sort of a redesign. Silly me. It's adjustable. If you look here, there's two holes. We'll go on the smaller hole, shall we? We'll clamp up beautifully. Look at that. That's what we wanted. Well, I would say that's broken. There we go. I'll go and get the new spring. This is the bit that matters because look at the size of that spring that's got to compress. This is notorious for being one of the worst ones you can come across. Oh, holy Jesus. Holy baby, £6, 7 ounce Jesus. The baby Jesus. It's only fucking worked, isn't it? I was just flapping around for nothing. Like, it had already worked by the time I was messing around. If you would like to purchase one of these, I'll leave the link in the description and the contact details of my Werkzeug agent. He's DMAC Tools, his name's Darren, he's quite a nice chap, and he hooked me up with this one. I quite like it, you know.